What if I told you that within the next 10 minutes, you could uncover the secret to endless viral content ideas for your faceless YouTube channel? Yes, you heard that right. Endless ideas. Enough to fuel your content calendar not just for a year, but potentially for a lifetime. It might sound unbelievable, doesn't it? Yet here's the secret that many creators overlook. It's not about fabricating everything from thin air. Instead, it's about creatively connecting existing elements in ways no one else has contemplated. Let's embark on a captivating journey to unlock a perpetual stream of inspiration for your growing faceless YouTube empire. Imagine stepping into a vast, virtual library, a great repository that holds the essence of every viral video concept, perfectly aligned with the unpredictable tides of the YouTube algorithm. However, here's the twist. This library isn't physical. It exists within the vast corridors of your own mind, nestled under the layers of your observations and experiences, merely waiting to be uncovered. Let me introduce you to Leo, the epitome of creative genius, whose face remains unseen, but whose impact is widely recognized. His faceless YouTube channel has soared to great heights because he mastered an elusive art. The art of synthesizing seemingly disparate ideas into engaging, shareable content. Leo's journey to success did not begin in front of a camera, but rather in the most unlikely of places, his local coffee shop. Leo would sit in a corner, observing patrons as they waltzed in and out, all the while taking note of the steadfast smile the barista maintained amid the cacophony. This spark ignited a chain reaction in his creative mind, prompting him to wonder, what hidden stories lay behind those constant smiles? This curiosity led him to craft the viral video titled, "The Unseen Heroes of Our Everyday Lives." However, Leo's creativity didn't end with just one idea. Every situation he encountered, every casual conversation he overheard, every seemingly trivial observation became his endless goldmine for raw content. To unlock this treasure trove, start by immersing yourself in your environment. Pay close attention to the subtleties of daily life, snippets of conversation, bits of music, and the lively pulse of the city around you. For example, the symphony of voices at your local farmer's market could spark inspiration for a video like The Unsung Traditions of Local Markets. Every sight, every sound is an idea waiting to unfold like a delicate piece of origami. Now, let's dive deep into the psychology behind such creativity. Creators of successful, viral, faceless content don't chase the rare eureka moments. Instead, they find inspiration in the everyday musings that, while seemingly mundane, hold worlds of potential intrigue. Consider the blend of ideas. Imagine taking the gripping narrative of an audiobook and augmenting it with powerful, dramatic visuals. By weaving together audio and visual narratives, you create a unique edge, an engaging experience that ensnares the audience's attention. However, here is yet another twist. What if you let a potential viral idea slip away, simply because you didn't capture it the moment it flickered in your mind? Leo champions his trusty pocket notebook, a constant companion where rough sketches and abrupt notes later transform into captivating content. Therefore, cultivate the habit of jotting down ideas instantly. Whether it's a note-taking app on your phone or a small black notebook, anything that helps you capture those fleeting flashes of genius before they evaporate is invaluable. Isolation is often the silent bane of a creative journey, causing your mind to echo only its own thoughts if left unchecked. What you need instead is diversity of ideas. Here's the secret to breaking free: collaboration. Engage in vibrant creative communities online, explore forums, and join groups where ideas flow freely and vibrantly. Dive into the anatomy of viral videos with others, aiming to dissect what elements made them resonate so profoundly, and then applying those patterns in novel, innovative ways. But how do you channel another's success without merely imitating them? It's all about recontextualizing their success, delving into the core of their ideas and reshaping it with your unique narrative voice, and a touch of your personality as the unseen narrator. Stand in your audience's shoes. What do they long to encounter but rarely find amidst the sea of online content? Offer stories that not only evoke emotions, but also solve intriguing puzzles that a faceless narrator guides them through. Continuing to build on our toolbox of creativity, let's tackle yet another crucial tactic: the synergy of reviewing past successes. Examine your content's past, pinpoint themes or concepts that garnered notable views, engagements, or sparked discussions. Is there potential for these themes to develop into a series or sequels? For instance, Leo frequently used audience interaction as his barometer, realizing that well-timed, engaging cliffhangers captivate audiences and became the driving force behind his narratives. Before letting your excitement take the reins, remember this: as potent and promising as these ideas are, they come with an understanding of past missteps. Each idea should be a reflection of learned lessons, structured not only just to capture the algorithm's fleeting attention, but also to build sustainability and longevity. Therefore, delve into your analytics. Translate the cryptic language of watch times and retention graphs into a recipe for constant improvement. As we edge closer to the crescendo of this narrative, here's not simply a thought, but a culmination of strategic creativity, the unexpected fusion of genres. Picture a chef concocting an unexpected blend of flavors. Take a gaming niche narrative and infuse it with elements of historical, lyrical storytelling. Such a video can seamlessly span interests and unite audiences from both worlds. Can you spot the pattern here? Reaching the edge of infinite creation isn't without risks, nor is it foolproof. It is a passionate pursuit that resonates deeply with your audience. Perhaps the most precious gem of wisdom to take away is this: the impact of your ideas lies primarily in their delivery. Yet, before we conclude this narrative, remember that just as the limits of inspiration remain unfathomed, so does your potential to generate ideas, especially now that you're equipped with these insights. Bridge this story with the next. Every step forward draws you closer to mastering the destiny of your channel. Until we meet again in the next episode, cracking open the eternal enigma of faceless content success, may your ideas flourish like leaves dancing in the gentle whisper of the wind, settling only to grow in the right places. Now, are you prepared for the next chapter on this journey? Gear up for a deep dive into unleashing the ultimate toolkit of resources that every faceless creator needs to possess.